Hi, I'm Anthony DeSanto with Fastener, and today we're going to talk to you about our new Collated Cortex system for Trex Enhance decking boards. The underside of the Trex Enhance deck board has a unique geometry. For this reason, Fastener has created a lid that acts as an installation guide. We call it Spotter. The spotter lid acts as a spacer for pre-drilling, which then aligns with the legs of the decking board to create a long-lasting connection. The Collated Cortex system also features collated plugs. The grain of the Trex Enhance Cortex plugs are aligned, making it easier to find your perfect plug that much faster. The spotter lid for Collated Cortex Trex Enhance has been specifically designed to work in two scenarios: a standard installation where the board is fully supported by the framing, or a cantilevered installation which allows for an inch of board overhang. For installation, simply place your spotter lid into position. Pre-drill with a 7/32 drill bit into the holes that match your installation scenario. Be careful to pre-drill just through the decking and not the framing below. Move your spotter to the next installation spot, then drive your Cortex screws using the setting tool provided in the package. Use your thumb or hammer to set the plug into position. Then, with a hammer, tap it flush to finish. Collated Cortex for Trex Enhance comes in 100 lineal foot kits. Each kit contains 224 screws, 240 Collated Cortex plugs, 2 setting tools, and the spotter installation guide. The Collated Cortex system from Fastener delivers a strong connection and a beautiful finished look for all of the Trex Enhance decking boards. Available now.